welcome to Low Cost Keebs. Today we're looking at the Ractous RTK61BP. It's this box. This isn't quite Apple quality, but this was nice. So really quick, red switches, black in color, RTK61 Gatorons. They are optical. Some people don't like that. And Bluetooth for $12.79. Believe it. Normally priced $15.99, $16.99. This keyboard surprises. It is hot swappable. Again, they are opticals. So you'll need optical switches if you're replacing them. Standard kind of card here. This was a little surprising. While I do like a right angle, what was surprising was how tight the braiding on the cable was. I don't know if we're going to get a focus, but I normally don't care about the cables. I don't even talk about the cables, but this braiding, for whatever reason, feels better and tighter than any of the other braided cables I've seen. It's just a little bit better, and that's nice. And I don't really talk about the cables that much, but here's a Logitech mouse I've had for years, and it's frayed out. I feel like this won't fray out as fast. That's just me. Oh, yep. Beauty shot. Maybe not. Alright. So back out. So let's get into it. It is a wireless keyboard. For this one was $13 in black. They were low on stock, so I think it was just a closeout. Happiness for me. Again, normally $16, $15.99 or $16.99 depending. Dollar difference. I just hit the problem. So build quality, I want to give this thing a 4, but I can't. I got to give it a 3, and I'll tell you why. And it could just be this one. So benefit of the doubt. This thing is well put together. It is a snap together. It's not screwed. It does have feet, which I love. I do love a good foot. 2-stage foot, rubber on everything. I did lube this, so mine $3. Again, I want to give this a 4. It's got a battery in it. Just put down. You can watch the live stream. Oh yeah. This one was charged. This one's easy to show LEDs on. Look at that. Again, I want to give this a 4. It's really well done, but giving it a 3 because of one problem that we'll get into. Switches. These are Gatoron name brand optical switches. I don't hate optical switches. Only Gatoron has them. If you want fast, if you want your keystrokes to be registered quickly, get opticals. Obviously the feedback is different. If you like tactile or clickety, opticals aren't for you. If you're a linear person and you've never tried opticals, maybe you want to give them a shot. Those switches are 3. Gatoron opticals are the baseline for a 3. And I have that upside down. Look at that. The S is upside down. So while we're chatting, I'm going to move on to the real problem I have with this keyboard, and that is the stabilizers. They did lube them, sort of. They literally just dropped lube into the front of the stabilizers, and they didn't get them up into the stabilizer where the actual metal bends. So that was a little weird. And because of that, I lubed them. I had it open, had it on the live stream. I over lubed them. I also don't care. But it did reveal a problem. Right there. It fits, and you can push down and get the spacebar to sit on this. But because the fit and finish is just off, it doesn't ever hold on to this side of the spacebar. Maybe a different spacebar will take care of that. Maybe different stabilizers will take care of that. But the stabilizers get a 2. This is the first set of stabilizers I've ever rated at a 2. And I'm doing it because the fit isn't where it needs to be. Again, maybe different keycaps, it will work better. I'll give that a shot maybe in a mod video. But yeah, the stabilizers leave something to be desired. I used to say you had to be a co-star to get a 2, but I've never seen one that the tolerances were this off. The stabilizer tolerances, like the housing where it sits, they're all sloppy. So maybe if you buy this, I would swap out the stabilizers. Straight up. Go get a $10 set. They go on sale. I would swap out the stabilizers to something better. Alright, moving on. Modding. You're not doing too much to this. Again, you can swap out opticals. The plate is metal. So that little white you see down in there, that is a metal plate, which is nice. It's steel, not aluminum. It is magnetic. I realize the spacebar is backwards, and it might be driving someone nuts, but I don't care. It already has a foam mod in it. It comes with a foam mod. This does come with a battery pack. So there's not much space in there. You could tape mod it if you really want, but that foam is pressed hard against the PCB. So you're not doing too much to this. Again, you could swap out the other Gatorons if you don't like reds. Gatoron makes like, I don't know, 6 different kinds of opticals, I think, maybe 8. So if you want different push force, you can clearly put out, change those out. You can obviously always change out the springs. I hate working on optical switches. So this is only getting a 2. 2 from a modability standpoint. You're stuck with the opticals. If you're fine with that, you're fine with that. And you're not doing much inside. There just isn't much going on. They've already done it for you. Yeah, you're not doing a whole lot. Keycaps. I like these keycaps. I don't know what it is. I don't think they're ABS. I think they're PPT. PBT. Yeah. They don't feel like ABS. The only thing that's kind of rubbing me is the quality, and I don't know if it's a stabilizer or the spacebar, the quality of this particular area. So these are getting actually a 3. I like these keycaps. Yeah, they're a little bit thicker, a little bit better built than some of the others. And again, $13. Overall, I'm giving this thing a 4. I'm overlooking the stabilizer issue. It's well built, it's well assembled. All of the screws were in the board like they're supposed to be for the standoffs. It's foam modded. It's a really strong tape on the battery pack. The switch is solid. It has feet, which I enjoy. Yeah, overall, I'm giving this a 4. I would buy this again. I think this is the first keyboard I've actually said that. I would also buy the Tazera again. So far, 7 keyboards I've got under review. There's only 2 I've actually bothered to say that. Overall, this is an 18 out of 30. Not bad. It was held back by the stabilizers. And yeah, again, I would buy this. I would recommend it. I haven't used the Bluetooth. I'm not a wireless person. Believe in it. I work with Wi-Fi in my real job, and I know how problematic that is. So, yeah, this isn't a bad keyboard. It's worked. Low cost Keebs. I need an outro.